Are you searching for that elusive single-level home priced under $300,000? Well, I just found the perfect deal for you. This townhouse-style condo is all on one level, just over 1,150 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms with 2.5 bathrooms and a double suite layout. It's ready to go with hard surface flooring, quiet and efficient double pane windows, and AC. It even comes with an attached garage and extra parking. Conveniently located on Stark Street, this unit is securely tucked away inside the complex and well off the street. With just 8 units, this smart little complex is managed by an engaged community of residents. It's low maintenance with vinyl siding and a new roof within the last few years. Located right next to the Gateway Shopping Hub, you'll be mere minutes to your choice of grocers, tons of restaurants, and all sorts of shopping. It's also a super quick commute to downtown Portland, Vancouver, or the airport. Best of all, you'll be just a half a block to Ventura Park, which is a really cool park, so you'll have to check it out. Reach out to your agent or me directly to take a look.